I fucked up, dude. I know I shouldn't have done this.
You didn't even lick it all
I
off?
did. I'm not gonna lick that whole thing off,
Don't be a
dude.
sissy.
It's everywhere.
It's burnt your hand?
Oh, get it to my throat. Alright, dude, like this whole.
How's your lips feel?
Your hand shaky, bro.
You want some cinnamon bubble gum?
Oh, fuck.
Does it feel like you swallowed Satan's testicles? Is that milk helping?
No. It's not helping my lips, man.
They look swole up.
I wish this resolution's a little bit better. See all that milk on your face?
Is the ice helping?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Your lips swole? They look swole.
Your whole face is red.
You like Kim Kardashian.